Hi, my name's Caroline,
My name's Irene.
and we are grad students and dietetic interns at Texas Women's University.
So we know it can be kind of hard to eat healthy when you live in a dorm or when you have a busy schedule or when you just don't know how to cook that well.
So as part of the Eat Well initiative at TWU, we're gonna show y'all how you can make some really healthy foods just super quick in the microwave. So we know that eggs are a really common breakfast food that everyone loves. So today we're gonna show y'all how you can cook your eggs really quickly in the microwave. So first, we're gonna crack 2 eggs and just put it in the mug. You can just use any coffee mug. So. Okay, and then you can add any toppings you like, but today we're gonna add bell pepper, ham, and spinach. So we're just gonna take a handful, throw it in there. Then you can add some seasonings as well, just to add some flavor and taste. So today we're gonna just add a little bit of salt and some pepper, just for that flavor. And then lastly, we're gonna add just some shredded cheese, which is also optional. And then for the last step, you just mix it all up together with a fork. So now that we have all of our ingredients mixed together, we're just gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So now we have our finished egg in a mug. It looks delicious and is a great and easy breakfast. So if you wanna add some veggies to your day, we're gonna show you how to quickly steam some broccoli in the microwave. So here we have about 1 cup of chopped broccoli in a microwave safe bowl. And then we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of water. And then we're just gonna put a plate over it and put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, so here we have some perfectly steamed broccoli. It'll make a great side dish to any meal. So here we have our finished product, our egg in a mug and our steamed broccoli. Super easy and great ways to cook in the microwave. So we want to say thank you all for listening and hope you enjoyed these cooking tips.
Thank you.